Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to disable Windows lock on your Windows 10 and 11 version. So for that, you need to make sure that you don't have create password on your desktop or for the user which you want to log in. Make sure you don't have password. For that, go to manage option, this PC, okay, and go to local users and groups and then users and then the user which you want to log in without the password, then click on set password, click on proceed and leave it blank. Okay, leave it blank. Now okay, there should be no password for the user. So now we will disable the Windows lock. Okay, by default you need to click on the sign in option, but I will show you how you can disable that. For that you need to press Window plus R button together. Okay, or you can directly search run command on a search. Then you need to type a regedit. Okay, click on OK option, then click on yes button. Now you should see the registry editor like this. Now you need to double click on the H key local machine, double click on it, then double click on the software like this, then click on the policies option. Now double click on the Microsoft option, and after double click on the Microsoft option, double click on the Windows. Okay, once you click on Windows option, if you are getting the option which is personalization, it means that you don't have to create the registry key. If you are not able to see the personalization like me, so you need to right click on the Windows option, then click on new, then key, and right here personalization. P should be capital, A L I Z A T I O N. Okay, personalization like this. Hit enter. You can see the spelling here, personalization. Once you create the key here, you need to right click on here, then click on new, and then click on the D word 32-bit and name it no lock screen. N should be capital, L should be capital, and S should be capital, and hit OK. Now once you created the key here and its registry, so you need to right click on that, click on modify and change its value to 1, then click on OK. Okay, and now restart your system. I will show you. Let me restart my system, and then it will sign in automatically without the lock screen. So now you can see my window has loaded without any password and without any lock. So hope your issue is fixed and if this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.